dishonest operation, that's it. A kid like Joey goes from smash and grab to stealing $500,000 in jewelry. I don't think so. Someone put him up to this.
That makes sense. Sometimes savvy criminals use minors to do their dirty work.
Of course. A Fagin to Joey's Oliver Twist.
If Holly's involved, that makes her the Artful Dodger, or the Artful DJ.
Ooh, that's the plan.
And that would explain why we never found stolen loot in Holly or Joey's apartment. Fagin has it.
That gives him motive to get rid of Holly if she ever get in any trouble.
No, for right. Joey knows what a killer is. Now get this, kid. Let me get a crack at him. Well, this is super hot detective. Oh, you look at it. Don't laugh. I was featuring the NYPD camera. But that was good, so. Oh, he must be the good cop. Well, I don't know about that. But I could be a ticket out of this.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
How does that work?